Yeah, I know.
There's always rocks in my shoes.
Ito sa pinakatugtog.
Go, Aaron. Hi, Mommy. Wait, Mommy.
Where's my
Ay,
parents?
ng mga puti. Yung mga Asian talaga, unggoy talaga ito.
Sabi ko, naging hayop na yung anak ko.
Dahil ko influence sa kanila, no?
Narinig nga kita pa pati si Chad.
Sabi dito,
That was a bad
"Hey, the
position.
back of monkey."
Akit ka sa pinakaduktok.
What happened to your foot, bro?
Akala ko ba for better and worse?
What happened to your
Dahil
foot?
iniwan mo ako sa worst.
There's blood. There's blood.
Oh, yeah.
Hindi ka pa naman nag-struggle. Nasa taas na ako eh. Hindi ka pa nag-struggle.
Ano naman si Ivan?
Uh-oh. Where are my parents?
They're still taking selfies
Katawa to si Ivan.
No,
Instagram.
they're not checking Instagram.
Ano ko nga sinabi niya?
Bella, move.
Ano ba, friend?
Sabi ni Bella, sabi, how did you? Sabi ko, I just walk. But mommy, you walk. You didn't.
Wait, what is that? What is that?
Nag-overthink ito, hindi lang siya